Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today is Monday, 29th of June 2020. Today our topic will be about the evaluation of limits involving left and right hand limits. Okay? You know that when variable x approaches the value c from left hand side, then the limit, if exists, is called left hand limit, and if it approaches the value c from right hand side, it is called right hand limit. Okay, so the first question is, if f of x equal to x square minus 9 over x minus 3, then find left and right hand limit, and then also find the limit of the function. Okay, you must keep in mind that these type of questions often appear in the board exam papers as short questions that carries 2 marks. So we first find left hand limit at x equal to minus 3. लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट का मतलब ये है कि आप -3 के लेफ्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, यानी आपका जो वेरिएबल x है वो -3 से छोटा होगा, क्योंकि आप लेफ्ट साइड पे काम कर रहे हैं, आप लेफ्ट साइड से -3 को अप्रोच करना है. ओके, सो वी राइट f -3 -0 लिमिट x गोज टू -3 -0 f of x equal to limit -3 -0 put the value of fx which is x square minus 9 over x minus 3. Okay, now put x equal to -3 -0 in place of x, minus 9 over -3 minus 3, 9 minus 9 0, 0 over -6 equal to 0, which is your left hand limit. Now let us come towards right hand limit. That means x should be greater than -3. In this case we are approaching -3 from right side. Now we write, this is the notation of right hand limit, -3 plus 0, limit x goes to -3 plus 0 f of x, put the value of fx which is x square minus 9 over x minus 3. Where there is x, here we put the limiting value -3 plus 0, that is from this -9 over -3 plus 0. जहाँ x है वहाँ -3 plus 0 पुट कर देंगे, 9 minus 9 0 और -6 equal to 0. So right hand limit is equal to 0, left hand limit equal to 0. Okay, we have seen that left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. आप जानते हैं कि जब लेफ्ट और राइट लिमिट आपस में बराबर हो तब जाके फंक्शन का लिमिट उस पॉइंट पे एग्जिस्ट करता है. ओके, सो एज लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट, so limit of the function exists and it is equal to 0. Okay, let us move to some other question of this type. Question number 2, if f of x is equal to absolute value of x minus 5 or modulus function of x minus 5, then find the left hand right limit at x equal to 5. Okay, we first calculate left hand limit. That means we shall approach 5 from left hand side, so our x will be lesser than 5. Okay, in terms of notation we write it as f5 minus 0 और f5 के ऊपर माइनस साइन लगा दें, दोनों चीज़ें आप कर सकते हैं. लिमिट x goes to 5 minus 0 fx, put the value of fx which is x minus 5 mod 5 minus 0 minus 5, we get 0 mod equal to 0. Now we shall calculate right hand limit, that is s greater than 5. This means we shall approach 5 from right hand side, so we write f5 plus 0. That means we are working on the right hand side of 0. Limit s goes to 5 plus 0 fx, put the value of fx 5 plus 0, 5 से कट गया, हमारे पास 0 आ गया. आपने देखा जितना लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट है उतना ही राइट हैंड लिमिट है, और अगर राइट हैंड लिमिट और लेफ्ट हैंड आपस में बराबर आ जाए तो तब हम कहते हैं कि फंक्शन का लिमिट उस पॉइंट पे एग्जिस्ट करता है. इस केस में क्योंकि दोनों बराबर आ गए हैं, फंक्शन का जो लिमिट है वो हमारे पास 0 आया. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, I hope you have understood each and every point involving these two questions. However, if you have any query, any issue, any problem, you can contact me on Google Classroom module or even on my WhatsApp number, which is 0308 5109 372. This is all from myself. I hope you are satisfied with my today's lecture. Okay, goodbye. Thank you very much.